What's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I wanted to do with y'all is just make a little video. I got let me see how many pairs. We got like 15 pairs right here on the ground. Y'all might be able to see them. What we're going to be getting into is basically unboxing them, running through them. That's what this video is, just a little, some of them I'm holding, so I know the title of this video might actually, summer sneaker investments, holds, things like that. So we'll just kind of, get into it, and that'll really be the topic of this video. And if y'all want more like this, more content here, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'd appreciate it. Let's try and hit 175 likes. Lets me know y'all want more unboxings. And there we go. Now just fixed my camera. We are all good. And if you want to learn how to source more sneakers just like this, check out my friend and I's group. Again, Under Market Deals Daily. These were all for members at retail or under market price. That is what we do. So check us out down below. See that. You can test the free trial if you want to just learn about the deals. Learning how we can teach you how to buy up. Having botters run for you. Learning how to run multiple accounts. Low-key flips. You can make money selling those to eBay. So many things. So if you're interested, I hope to see y'all down there. Try the free trial and don't miss out on sourcing pairs and deals like this. These are all for our members, don't forget. So let's get started. Okay, so I was unsure about which kind of perspective I wanted to take on the camera, but y'all can see we have a wide variety of sneakers. You got some needleworks. I'm still waiting on a pair or two of those from Nike. I'm hoping they actually deliver. I got to get a refund on some other stuff because Nike has recently been hitting a couple licks on me. But a shout out to my FedEx employee. It does not get more honest than this. You're a real stand-up guy. I still have not met him, but yeah, whoever you are, man, you're a real honest dude, and I got to give some props to you because all of these were there, perfectly boxed up, stacked up, not a single one missing. So yeah, always giving a shout out to my honest postal workers. Big ups. But first thing we got right here, we got the Argon Dunk Low. I sourced these for I think $125. Current market is right now $140, $150 on StockX and GOAT. Again, this is one of those ones I would only sell locally. It was for members. Don't forget in deals, that's what this pair was for. But it's one of those ones in particular where it's not one you're going to make any really selling to apps. I ran it for a lot cheaper in deals in the group. Ran it for like 110, I think some 105. So then you're making fine profit selling to apps. But just kind of the first one I want to mention, great local flip. You can source these online. I've been using a couple locations. Check some of my sourcing videos for those in the group, etc. But a couple other ones we got right here. We got the Sandrift Dunk Lows. These went absolutely crazy. This is a 10W, currently going for around $215, I think. I paid $195, so this is another one I could again sell locally, make some good money off, especially considering how much these rose. These are razzing right now, and the main reason that they're razzing right now is because the smaller sizes took off, so the bigger sizes are eventually just going to follow. But also very clean colorway, wearable for summer. Was also a little bit more limited. Wasn't as many retailers, like there wasn't a lot of Hibbett restocks, anything like that for this shoe. So understanding it makes sense as to why it rose. But aside from this one, another one we have right here is the eBay SB Dunk Glow. This is another one. I think I sourced these for $145. There was one of these eBay SBs right here. As you can see, I got two. I got a size 8 and 9. I sourced one of them for $145, and then one of them I think for like $152, something like that. And again, these are both local flips. That is mainly what these would be for. These are all, again, these are all member deals in the group. So all High Flaps members, got these pairs under market, whatever it was, except for that one. I'm holding on to these. We'll get into that in a little bit. I'll just kind of, again, just putting my money away in that pair because I feel like it'll be safe. But yeah, we got the eBay SBs, again, both for members. Really clean pair. Loving this one, like a collector's item. So shout out to the people that won those. I believe those were retail, $120 per. Yeah, so we were running these at retail price, maybe even less. So that's what we're always trying to do, provide, some uniqueness, but also some, solid deals. But a couple other ones we got right here, the Travis Scott Air Max Saturn Gold. Now, again, pretty wearable. You can see this is probably one of my favorite portions of the sneaker. Would have to be the tongue tag right there. Very simple detail, but I'm really liking how, again, that light blue hits. Firstly, around the design we have here in the tongue tag, but then just around the whole sneaker. It really stands out. It's a simple part, but you notice it, like, around the sneaker. When I'm turning this, like, you still are focusing on that little blue dot in the center. So pretty cool. Kind of has that like futuristic type of look for a sneaker. But I really like that they collaborated on Air Max. Obviously, there's another colorway, the Baroque Brown. I probably pronounced that wrong. I think there's a couple pronunciations for it. But there's another colorway for this one that goes for a little bit better than these two in my opinion. But we got a couple Jordan 4s here as well. Both local flips. That is, I mean, for anything Jordan 4, I would never sell it online. I probably would sell it online, but I wouldn't sell it to, again, the sneaker apps we have, like StockX, GOAT, Alias, etc. Alias goes actually pretty crazy for these, and StockX for this particular size isn't half bad. I paid $252. I believe they're right now going for $280, $290. This is one of those ones that, again, it wouldn't be one I'd mainly sell to apps right now. And this would also be a decent hold. I have a lot of faith in the Canyon Purple, so I think this colorway is definitely a little bit slept on, but it's definitely one of those ones that you shouldn't ignore. Clean. Also looks like it's very comfortable, just because you have this kind of purple suede that goes around the whole entire sneaker. It's one of those ones that just kind of seems more simple to put on, but also seems like it'd actually be a snug and simple fit. So that's what we got. Canyon Purple 4s, another one for a member right there, under market price. And these were actually ran pretty close to retail. We got the Midnight Navies right here, size 10. I believe we ran these for $250. $250 is what we ran these for. So again, you could easily flip these local for $300. I mean, Midnight Navies go absolutely crazy. It's one of the more popular Jordan 4s recently. A decent amount of stock too, and I've been sourcing these for, like, I want to say around $270, $280, right around there. I think I paid $275 on that pair. There was a recent pair I paid $265 for. So we're always running those for the low. That's one of the main things I'm trying to do in the group, is always give you guys something unique. But these go crazy for local flips. So if you ever see a Midnight Navy, maybe just hold on to it too, because the grade school sizes are a little bit low right now, but these have been slowly rising. This is a really good slow rise play, and I think the Thunders will perform fairly similarly, because there's a lot of stock of those. I see something similar happening. Next up, we also have the Ocean Dunk Low, and you guys may see why I like this pair, why I'd want to hold on to it. So many unique details on the sneaker. You can see the whole entire sneaker with that unique, it's not even like a suede material. I don't even know how to describe the material that goes around the toe box and majority of the sneaker. It's like a scratchy material almost. It's like you can scratch it. It's really weird. It's not like a suede where like leave a mark if you scratched it, anything like that. It's really it's pretty interesting. So overall, I'm rocking with this pair. Very unique. Same with the sole. That's the main reason I'm messing with this one, because I haven't seen, I mean, this pair never drops. There's never any restocks, anything like that for this pair. So I think I paid around $190, size 10.5 W, goes for like $220, $230 on StockX, and a little bit more in some other apps, but just to hold, not concerned about selling that one right now. Next up though, we do have the Pure Platinum Dunk Low, a classic in the group. I mean, we've been running these for ages, around 160, some at 155, some at 170, so these are always under market. One of, again, the classic ones we've been doing, but another very, I need these for the personal collection. Super easy to wear colorway, very simple everyday shoe. So this is one of those ones I'm still looking to get. So Pure Platinums, and yeah, again, this is what we do, guys. A lot of progress has been made in recent months, and we're going to continue making it, bringing y'all content. And yeah, Pure Platinum Dunks. Just overall, with the sole, everything in the shoe, it's very well put together. And then we got another pair of Canyon Purple, smaller size, 9.5 W, easy local flip. I think I paid $185 for these. So I mean, like, yeah, under retail. So I could go crazy with this flip. The laces are kind of coming apart, so I'm gonna fix that. But another pair we got right there. Jordan 4 Canyon Purples. And switching sides, we do have the Brown Paisley SB, another one that goes pretty crazy locally. I know a lot of people really like this one for its simplicity, and that's one of the main factors to this sneaker that I think makes it good. It's just how simple it is. You don't really have to think about this one too much when you're putting it on, and it always is kind of going to, fit to what you may have. Like, this goes with a white tee, brown tee, I mean, like brown pants. It goes with just about anything. So it's a really good everyday beater, and that's why I'm a big fan of the Brown Paisley. So another one, look at the details around the toe box, everything we got going on there, really nicely done. And we've gone over all these right here already, so let's move into some of the final ones. We do have the Needlework Sail Dunk Low. This is size 6W. I'm wearing these for $115 in the group. So again, another one that's under retail, and I'm always showing people how they can source their deals locally like this, because this was a bulk deal I bought off somebody. I paid for this pair right here and the sets of buns. I paid exactly $136 per, and these are some big size sets of buns, like 11.5, 12, like easy money sizes locally. So this is one of the main things we show y'all down below, is how you can start sourcing on your own and making deals with people, making sure you don't overpay, things like that. These are some of the main things we're always trying to help y'all with. So yeah, again, sets of buns, details there, kind of that brown translucent sole, pink swoosh, and then of course the unique insole on both the sneakers. You probably cannot see it from here, but there's a unique insole, and then of course you have some text on the inside there as well. So that is my main thoughts in some sneakers we have recently sourced, again for Hype Labs members, but also just for local flips, holds, things like that. That is what we are doing. So if you're trying to learn the basics, again, of how you can do this, check us below. I'm always trying to teach and show people how they can do this on their own. So again, leave your questions, comments, any of that down below. Subscribe and like. I would love to see that, and hopefully you try the free trial and see how we can help you source more sneakers like this, maybe win some daily deals, get some under retail pairs, or learn how to do it on your own. Again, we have tips, guides, and so many other things on the way for you all. Free food even, teaching people how to buy with weekly classes, exclusive sourcing guides, under market deals, early information, exclusive pings on like restocks, things like that, so you can cop those for certain pairs, Hibbit guides for, Hibbit restocks. You name it, we got it. So become a better reseller in 2023. I hope to see y'all down there, and let me know your thoughts on this haul. Again, guys, you got a lot of good pairs right here, and we're gonna bring y'all another one very, very soon. Probably in like a week we'll have one of these, another one, so with different pairs, another 15. And yeah, that's what we got going on, guys. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all. Let me know what you're thinking about all the holds that we had in this video, in different pairs that are just for deals. And hopefully, these are some of the ones I'm holding, by the way. Sandrifts, eBays, Midnights, Oceans, and Sets of Buns. Best bets in my opinion. So I'll catch you all in the next video soon, and see you then. And don't forget to join that free trial below. Stop missing out. Peace.